Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's Scott Daly from Woodford Gray Group, founder and director of the business. Just wanted to touch on the subject of automation and systemization. So, what we've realised over the last couple of years, in Woodford Gray Group particularly, and for me, is traditional methods of recruitment don't work anymore. So, posting an advert on Indeed, Monster, isn't getting good returns in terms of candidates. Equally, cold calling candidates randomly off a job board, again, is not working. So, one of the things we've been doing, working heavily in our business, is to set up systemization and really look at the vertical markets we work in. So across software engineering, data engineering, solution architecture, you name it, we're kind of doing it in that tech space, running multiple verticals. And the way we're doing this is through outreach campaigns and linking into those guys, the best candidates, talking to inactive and passive candidates. The way we do that is using certain tools and techniques, putting processes in place that we're following. So when we do connect to candidates, we're getting a 92% connection ratio. We're also then introducing ourselves as an agency and setting up phone calls. These are with inactive and passive candidates just to understand what their career objectives are, what's going on in their current business, where do they see themselves in the next 2 to 3 years, and start to earmark those for potential opportunities. So when we do get a brief or an assignment from a client, we're already in the forefront of these candidates' minds. They know, like, and trust us. So we're all about nurturing. We're all about talking to passive and inactive talent consistently and constantly in our vertical market. So therefore, we're adding huge value to our customers. When a client does come to us and says, we need a solution architect with X, Y, Z skills, we're able to go onto our Vincere CRM. It's a ninja-based system, coded up and really, really, a lucrative tool for us. And we'll be able to go back to those candidates where we may have had a conversation with them 2-3 months ago and had a really good conversation whereby we're talking about the skills and experience, what projects they've delivered on, and what does that next opportunity, when it arrives, look like. Therefore, we're able to talk to that particular candidate. Right, fantastic. We have now got the perfect opportunity. We know you are inactively looking or passively looking, but what do you think of this? What do you think of this potential opportunity for this particular client that we know, like, and trust ourselves, and we've vetted and worked with probably many times? So we know we're putting the candidate into a great opportunity. This is really important to us. So yeah, I just wanted to sort of touch on this subject because I think it's really important to know, as particularly as hiring managers should know that actually, when you're getting pitched by an agency, try to think about the new era systems. Try to think about how are these guys, making sure that they are the forefront of the world that you're looking to recruit in. How do you know that the right agency? And for us particularly, what we're doing is demonstrating our capabilities through client testimonials, how we're delivering, and we actually can demonstrate how we actually go and find these elusive candidates that are genuinely hard to fill, like a needle in a haystack almost. So do get in touch with me if you think this is a great subject to talk about and you want to know more about automation, systemization, and really what the new era system looks like for Woodford Gray Group. Do get in touch with me. So that'd be scott.daly@woodfordgray.com, or my personal line is 01782 376 766. And I'm always open to having a conversation about what we can do for you. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.